So we could use Twitter data to predict how much people are sleeping at any given point. We could use it to predict how they're feeling when they respond to these surveys at the end of the week. And so we could put all of this into actual visualizations, into tools. And we've been developing these tools so that you can now look across university campuses and see in real time how happy are students at different universities based on what they're talking about online, based on what they're doing remotely. In following students on Twitter, we identified there was a student who was expressing publicly on Twitter, she was publicly expressing suicidal intentions, repeatedly expressing intentions to kill herself. Fortunately, we identified this student, routed her to Student Psychological Services, where she's now seeking help. Tools like this do not yet exist, but they are going to exist. They are going to be part of health and medical care in the future. We are currently building and working on building tools like this to be able to not only improve online safety, but be able to help monitor and identify people who are at risk so we can get them to help when they need it.